All right, that radar very active to the west, and that's where our best chance of severe storms. And in fact, they have been severe throughout the late afternoon, early evening. Non-severe storms rumbling through northwest Minnesota right now. A couple isolated cells north of Highway 2 in northeast North Dakota. We could be seeing some small hail where you see the blue blips here in parts of eastern Marshall County, Minnesota. These are all moving south and east at 30 miles per hour, impacting rural southern Lake of the Woods County, rural northern parts of Beltrami County in the upcoming hour or so. Here's an update on the severe storm. It is right on the doorstep of Jamestown, is expected to be there by 6:20, then on towards Ypsilanti by 6:32. Hail is not the main concern, but gusty straight line winds have been measured over 60 miles per hour with this particular storm. So batten down the hatches as this one blows through. It's moving eastward at 36 miles per hour. So this one's vecting towards the general direction of Valley City and Fargo. Got a long ways to go. Will it make it here? The other question and appearance here, these storms in south central North Dakota are diving more south and may likely even miss our southwestern counties of Dickey and Lemoore County. So that's the question of the night here, is where these are going to wander and will they last? We do have a watch for our western counties in the James River Valley until 11 o'clock tonight. The storms in northwest Minnesota not expected to be severe. I'll have much more on this in your hour-by-hour forecast, but we're holding on to summer-like temperatures, 84 degrees at Hector. Our wind southwesterly is at 15 miles per hour. Look at the sizzle. It's on in Grand Forks and Cavalier. You're both down 2 degrees from your 88-degree readings 1 hour ago, 87 in Devil's Lake. Rain has cooled things off in Roseau to 66 degrees, and soon Jamestown will be cooling off significantly as well as a storm will punch right into town. Low 80s in Lakes Country and the southern Red River Valley as we speak. Okay, if you watch our hour-by-hour forecast, you'll see the storms off to the west, and we're also focusing on northwest Minnesota. These guys steer south. A few could be making their way east, but they're running out of the area where there's enough support for storms to last. So my elbow's telling me I don't think Fargo sees stormy weather this evening. Grand Forks hit and miss showers, more hit and miss non-severe storms in northwest Minnesota, with the severe weather diving straight south into central and eastern South Dakota. And how long does the storminess last? It continues to the 10 o'clock hour in northwest Minnesota, but the risk of severe here, very low. Overnight, this stuff wraps up by around 2 to 2:30, so then it'll be safe to walk the iguana, and it looks like temperatures slipping down towards 60. Watch for some patchy morning fog as well. The early half of our day, it's going to be noticeably cool first and foremost. We'll start to see a northwest wind continuing to blow at 15 to 25 miles per hour throughout the day. Spotty sprinkles here and there through the midday hour. Breezy conditions right into the afternoon. And notice no reds on Hutch's temperature contours here. The 80s are gone for your day tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, we cool off fairly quickly with much drier air in place. So how warm will we get? 63 to start. We ramp it only into the mid-70s for your afternoon. Hold on to the hat. Winds will be gusting at times over 20 miles per hour. 70s across the board except the renegade upper 60 here or there near the international border. Hit and miss showers, really. Most of us will stay dry. Look at this fabulous photo. Rick Craig captured Rock Lake, North Dakota there in Towner County. The northern lights, beautiful last night. They could make a reappearance towards daybreak tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, spotty morning showers, 75 again on Thursday, a dry day there, and dry Friday as well. Saturday, storm chances do return, and the 80s return, although low 80s.
Low 80s, yeah, not like what we're used to.
Exactly.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.